Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are at Bali Beach Glamping, which is first of its kind glamping resort in Bali. It's about 20 to 30 minutes drive from a central Canggu in Tabanan area. It has got over 40 tents, 3 different categories. 5 of them are family, the biggest tents. 15 of them are so-called outpost tents, and 20 of them are deluxe tents. We will be touring today Deluxe and a family. I bet you cannot wait. We cannot as well.
Yeah,
let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so we are in front of Deluxe type of a tent. It's about 25 square meters. Let's have a look inside. So guys, as we enter the tent, you got a large double king size actually.
Massive
king size,
bed,
massive bed with a massive mattress. All style is very clean. I'm generally impressed. First impression is absolutely spot on. Everything is super clean, super beautiful. There is a lot of wood material used, and you guys know our favorite material is definitely wood. We are both from the countries where wood is widely used in constructions. Over here, I believe we do have a mini fridge and a safe. Look at this glorious piece of furniture.
Super nice.
Super nice. You can open the whole tent from each side basically, which is really cool because during the day you can open it and have that indoor-outdoor living space. As you go to bed, you can just simply pull those straps down and close whole tent.
Well, you have to, yeah.
Yeah, and I also like the fact this is the flooring is hard. It's a concrete, so it's definitely not exactly the type of the tent you would imagine. This is still a glamping. What do you think about this, Alina?
I would spend my time there, definitely.
Should I try it?
Yeah.
I think I should.
Jump in.
So, oh wow, that is very cool.
It's like a swinging daybed.
Oh yeah, I can imagine chilling here, afternoon, evening.
Having your afternoon nap. And we have to mention that this tent has a AC. Do you see over there? That's very, very important.
AC in the tent. Guys, remember that.
You get your looks.
Okay, as you enter from the left side, you do have a working table for work freaks out there. You definitely have your own space, and I love this chair. Look at the design of this. Very adventurous, movie-based, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Really nice, really cool.
Nice.
And as we walk further in, you do have some storage space, some open space wardrobe with 2 umbrellas. And as you walk in this way,
Ooh,
closer,
who would expect this?
you have a full-on hotel type bathroom. Isn't this incredible?
Look at this.
Look at that, all the concrete. And over here you have a toilet, sink, large mirror, all the amenities.
Hair dryer.
Yeah, these little baskets full of whatever you need.
All the toiletries are provided.
Yeah.
And large mirror.
Also right in front of the tent you do have 2 little chairs with a table, so you can enjoy those evenings in front of your tent in the nature, surrounded by greenery and the palm trees. We're gonna show you very soon how does it look around this place. It is absolutely unbelievable,
it's
guys.
Stunning property, yeah.
Also, guys, please let us know what you think so far about this tent, about this resort. We are very curious. We are absolutely in love. Yeah, tell us if you would stay here. We're gonna talk about prices towards the end of the video as well. But now, let's swap with Alina, and she will be touring you around family room.
We are at the front of the family glamping tent.
Right here.
Right here, but look at the view. Look at the surroundings.
Look at that, guys. Just the rice fields and an unlimited amount of palm trees.
You are in the nature, that's the most important.
Yeah.
Let's go and see the tent. As we come into the tent, it has the same seating area as the previous tent.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if we come in,
Let's go in.
the first difference we notice is the size. How huge is this tent? As it's a family tent, you've got a kids bed.
Yeah, or a single bed.
Or single bed if it's group of friends, for example. You've got this nice
Seater.
day sofa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Behind that, we've got a massive bed, looking the same as the previous one, with well-needed mosquito nets.
Yeah, always.
Always, yeah.
We were underestimating that when we arrived to Bali,
But
guys,
we understood.
this is lifesaver.
Yeah, you need to have them. The same, you've got safety box, mini fridge, water, tea, coffee facilities, bedside tables with beautiful lamps, AC is in the room as well.
It's right there.
It's right there, hidden on the top. And as we come this way, working desk and this beautiful leather chair.
That is by far my favorite chair.
This is a feature, yeah.
Yeah, we have a closer look to that. Really cool,
Yeah.
wow.
And I have to mention that you have plug sockets hidden around the room.
These are very, very cool designs.
Yeah,
They're just protected from
yeah.
the
You
rain
don't have
and
them
wind.
everywhere. They are within the interior. That's really nice. Okay, guys, let's just appreciate the size of this room. How much bigger it is than Deluxe tent.
Yeah, it is twice of the size for sure.
Yeah,
Have a lot of space, and the out and in option is just incredible.
You're surrounded by the nature. You feel it very well.
Yeah, let's show the guys the surroundings of.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Should we
Let's
go?
go this way.
So this is one of the main features of the glamping.
Bali Beach Camping.
Yeah, it's a Instagram spot, as they say, and you don't have to ask why.
Yeah. Look at this, guys.
Yeah.
Wow. You enjoying yourself, are you? Happy little girl. Just put the girl on the swing. This is how it looked like. Straight away, big smile, and the day is made.
Look at the view.
Look at the view,
It's
guys.
well worth.
Unbelievable.
Let me show you one more thing. Ta-da! Here he is.
Another feature, hammock.
Another relaxed spot.
And just look at the background. Look behind the Alina. Wow,
Oh my god.
so nice. Okay, should we show the guys the restaurant in the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Don't take no bullshit. You should know, no. I'm about to explode.
Guys, so one more thing we did not mention is this wedding venue space over here. Just have a look.
Just right by the beach.
After a quick chat with the owner, this space is widely used for weddings, for parties, all sorts of celebrations, or Valentine's, private dinners, and so on and so on. We are a beachfront, guys. So few of the tents, Deluxe tents, are actually beachfront, so we have a wonderful view. And behind us there is infinity swimming pool, beach over there, and also a restaurant. Let's go this way.
Against me, but now I'll be ahead with grace. I'm winning this race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I
So as we move forward, just on the right side from a swimming pool, we have a restaurant area, and look at the net. Let me try this.
Perfect spot to watch the surfers. How is it? Great?
So guys, if you grab a pillow from your tent, you use it over here. There is no better spot in Bali to watch the surfers or sunset. Would you agree?
ain't asking for permission, no. I don't have to say.
Okay guys, so we are in front of the restaurant. As you can see, it's an open space, very spacious restaurant. You can grab any of the drinks or any of the cocktails right there on the bar. There is always some very useful stuff waiting for you. This is the place where you eat your breakfast as well. I think we'll grab a couple of beers after we finish filming this vlog, don't we? And just enjoy.
So right now we are at the entrance side to the glamping camp, and on the right side of me we've got a reception area.
Right Right there?
Yeah, where somebody will always greet you, meet you and accommodate you.
Yeah.
If you follow me, we will see the spa. This is little glamping spa where you can get amazing massages and any other different treatments. Yeah, it contains of 4 massage beds.
Yeah.
And it overlooks the koi pod and amazing rice fields.
Wow, guys, just
Yeah.
think about that, having a massage over here with the ambient music, watching the koi fishes and listening to the sounds
Yeah.
of nature, and look at the background. Unbelievable.
Perfect place for a spa.
100%.
Yeah.
Guys, in terms of the prices, deluxe room costs at the moment 750,000 Indonesian rupiahs, which is discounted, heavily discounted price, so it does not come with the breakfast. Previous price, original price is 2.25 million Indonesian rupiahs. That comes with the breakfast, but that's before pandemic. Also, family room is at the moment 850,000 Indonesian rupiahs. Original price was 3.5 million Indonesian rupiahs. So these are the prices of the rooms over here. Guys, please let us know in the comments or on the social media, what do you think about this amazing resort? We both love it, don't we, Anlina?
Yeah, definitely.
Leave a comment, make sure you leave a comment. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you got any more questions, contact us again on the social media, on Instagram, or leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and we see you in the next video, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.